Hey, what's up guys, SciTech City here, back with another video, this time bringing you guys the Cable Matters Lightning to multiple adapter. And this adapter has a DisplayPort, as you can see there, as well as an HDMI port and a DVI port. So you can convert these three video inputs to Lightning. So you can see that it's made of this white plastic material. It's this shiny plastic. You know, it's not the best material choice, but you know, this adapter works fine, and that's the whole point of this adapter, not so much about the aesthetics. And there's also a black plastic shiny version, and you can check that out in the link below. I'll put it in below this video in the description. Now, to check out the quality of this, unfortunately I don't have a DisplayPort capable device nor a DVI capable device, but here I have my MacBook Pro, and I've hooked this up using an HDMI port to my Toshiba television here. And just to give you guys a comparison, I'm going to open up an image and compare the quality of this between this and the image produced by using the adapter. So that's just the HDMI port, and now I'm just going to switch over. I'm going to disconnect my HDMI cable. I'm going to hook up the adapter, the Lightning adapter, to my MacBook, if I can do this. And I'm going to, okay, so I've got the Lightning cable connected there. Now I'm going to get my HDMI cable, and just let me set this down for a second, and hook it up. Just like that. And you can see that the image is produced right there. And guys, right off the bat, I can see that the image quality by using the adapter is identical to hooking up HDMI to the MacBook, if not better. So, like I said, if you don't have a dedicated HDMI port and you only have a Lightning port, and you need to change DVI, HDMI, or DisplayPort into Lightning port, you can use this adapter, and it's definitely a great option. Now, just to give you guys another test, I'm going to turn on a song. I'm going to switch back over to HDMI, and I'm going to turn on a song to compare the sound quality between using just the HDMI cable and using the adapter. So I'm going to open up a song here. It's Taylor Swift, Shake It Off. Okay, so that's that. I didn't show you guys the video because of copyright issues. Now I'm going to switch back over to the adapter here, and I'm going to turn on the same song to see how the sound quality stacks up. Okay, so I'll turn it on from the beginning again. Okay guys, so you can definitely tell that the adapter is actually produces the same image quality and sound quality, if not better, than simply hooking up the original source to the device. So this adapter is definitely capable of, I'm assuming very capable of converting DisplayPort and DVI to Lightning port without loss of sound quality or image quality. So, you know, at the price that this is selling for, which I believe is $15 or $20, is definitely worth it if you're looking for a converter that converts these three formats into Lightning connection. And it comes with this cap as well for the cable, so that's nice. So overall, I would say that this is definitely a great value, and I would recommend it to anyone looking for a converter of this type. So that was my review of the Cable Matters adapter, and please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks. Peace out.